Hello friends, actually this is GB Shivakumar here, and many people are thinking why I have posting computer science with IoT, blockchain, and cyber security, business systems, and then big data analytics. So because reason is actually everything, all these technologies are tightly integrated with SAP, our SAP, and so even big data analytics for the data storage and actually analytic purpose, right? Actually, we have four different analytics, right? Actually, so descriptive analytics, and then actually we have the diagnostic analytics, and then predictive analytics and prescriptive analytics there, and storage analysis and data. Storage control options are there in big data analytics, and then we need to. We have IoT sensors connected to the lot of inventory tracking systems, GIS, GPS, mobile tracking, sort of integrations, and everything happens through IoT. And then we have material flow systems, PLC SCADAs integrated with the process layouts. So where IoT is very important, which connected with the sensors, artificial intelligence, all these things which sequence activities of events in the supply chain network, from starting from the raw material procurement to the finished goods deliveries, right, to the end customers. And then we have cyber security is required for secure futures in the logistics supply chain networks and enterprise resource planning networks in SAP. And then we have blockchains required especially for financial transactions and payments, right? So SAP is using all these technologies, actually not only one technology. It is using all the technologies, artificial intelligence, I can say data science, everything. Actually it is integrated with SAP, and I will sure tell you how all these sensors or IoTs, for artificial intelligence, everything, right? Big data analytics. So everything is integrated with SAP. I will share in my coming videos. So I think actually hope you now understood why I posted these videos in my normally I am posting all the videos to SAP related videos and SAP content related, and immediately switching over to say engineering streams. The reason, because the important here is actually many people are thinking core engineering is a waste thing. It is not like that. Core engineering is basis for all the business to work. See, even for a, even if you are having only the IT resource or IT groups in India without business knowledge in the core engineering, there is no usage, right? Actually, so we cannot. We need to have a balance ratio on the resources available with business knowledge, with IT technical knowledge, right? That is very important. So my main prime focus is actually make freshers or many people, because this blockchain or IoT or data science or say all this, communication engineering, everything, right? Computer science with communication engineering, those freshers who opt that can really come into SAP and work as a technical consultants, right? Actually, because there is a big lagging or big lack of resources in the cloud technology, all these cloud technologies and everything, new technologies. So we have a lot of people in web development and HANA development, all these things. But in case of IoT or artificial intelligence or business technology platforms, everything, right? Very few people available on the cloud-based technologies, and if many students or freshers coming with the knowledge of computer science with business science, business systems, IoTs, blockchain, cyber security, big data analytics, and then artificial intelligence, data science, and computer technology, RF technologies, and all these things will be added advantage to handle the project with a technical resource. And this will be very useful for the functional guys to get an idea on overall scope of all the projects and everything. They can handle the customer requirement or client requirement in efficiently. Whatever client is expecting, we are able to fulfill that. So this is really a benefit. So that I decided to cover this new engineering streams, so that this will be, if the particular streams are taken, even though, I mean, it's not only the new streams, even with mechanical, electrical, electronics, or instrumentation, or EC, or civil, they can easily get into SAP, right? Actually, if they are getting an industrial exposure, definitely there will be a boom to them. So no doubt in that. So actually, that is what my primary focus is to make them to know about these new fields. And there is a chance, when once you are getting an industry experience, we can get into SAP, and you can do a lot of wonders, because now SAP field is looking for a lot of simplifications and innovations, right? Innovative ideas. So this new fresh people, right, actually will definitely showcase their interest, their knowledge, thrust, everything. So this will be a boom for the SAP industry, ERP industry, to make use of these people. So that is what I have. I mean, the, my primary focus, or my primary idea, is make them to share these ideas, so that they can able to log into the particular streams, and can with good education knowledge, they can get into the industries as they expected. Because studying a normal computer science, or EC, right, actually that will not give an advantage, right? Actually, when you are coming to the new technologies, you will get a lot of opportunities, because those courses were designed based on the industry requirement and industry standards. And if you are doing higher studies, that will be again will be an added advantage to you. You can get a lot of exposure in the overseas. With that experience, you can show your knowledge and merits and interest on the upcoming supply chain management industries, or say ERP industries, or say construction or engineering industry, or a pharma, life sciences, or healthcare industries. So chemical industries, all these things, right, actually will be benefited with the knowledgeable persons. Thanks for watching my videos. This is GV Shukmar signing off.